This is Peter Lau. Today is Thursday, July 25th. I'm at 1088 North Holliston Avenue, Pasadena, California. I'll be entering through the rear side cleanout. So this is the back side of the house. So this cleanout's located near the reconditioning unit. In a brief moment, we will be transitioning to the end of the sewer line, as that provides the clearest video. We're about 138 feet out into the main sewer line, where it ties in with the city sewer at a depth of 8 feet. I'll be making my way back towards the access point. Currently what you're seeing on the screen, that's the city sewer connection. That pipe runs about 6 inches in diameter. Currently working our way back from clay piping. So all the water that you're seeing ran is actually coming from the other homes on the block. So the way the sewer system works is each house, if they're not on septic, they'll have a sewer line that runs out and meets the city sewer pipe. So basically, this water is coming from the other homes on the block as well. And as I pull back, going past the saddle, which is just the turn that meets out this city sewer connection, you can see there's water currently flowing. So I ran water in the kitchen sink and the bathroom sink the whole time I was doing this inspection. It's been turned off since then. And we're currently working our way back from clay piping. Again, very typical to see. Most cities will use clay for their sewer line material. So in the clay section of the line, I'm looking out for any kind of offsets, root intrusions, and cracks. The distance indicator is noted on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. So we have about 130 feet remaining. Once again, we are working our way back from basically the middle of the street back to the house. So you can see here on the right-hand side of the screen, at the joint of the clay pipe, there is root intrusion present. However, it's not causing any blockages at the time of inspection. You can see the water is still running, or rather the water has been turned off but is still heading towards the city sewer. And over here we do have a transition of materials. So this is cast iron coming from clay. Again, that's pretty standard as well. Some cases you'll have more clay going out towards the city sewer. Currently we're at the sidewalk right now. But the thing that is noted within the cast iron portion of the line is scaling. So what scaling is basically a buildup of minerals. It gets caked onto the interior side of the pipe, and over time, in essence, it shrinks the pipe in diameter because of all the caked on material. You can see compared to the clay line, this line looks like it's blistering. And again, that's because of the cast iron material. Working our way from a downturn. And as you can see, the water is still flowing out. Give it another minute or two, and then that water should be completely gone from the line. About 95 feet remaining, still working our way back from cast iron. So while the scaling isn't causing any blockages of water flow, I will have to recommend that the cast iron portion of the line gets updated. It is past the estimated service life. And as we get further through the video, the pipe in diameter will narrow. Again, that's because I am using the rear side cleanout, which is a branch line. And typically once you get closer to the house, closer to the kitchen sinks and bathroom sinks, those pipes run about 2 inches in diameter. And as you get further away towards the city, it's about 4 inches in diameter. As you can see at this point, most of the water has ran its course. Still no blockages or debris buildup at the present time of inspection. Looking out for any stagnant water. With about 52 feet remaining. With about 25 feet remaining. Still working our way back to the cast iron. And here we do have a slight buildup of water. So we have transition materials once again. So we've gone from cast iron to ABS. So ABS is a newer plumbing material. It's currently what's being used to replace the cast iron. And then right back to cast iron. So it's not uncommon to have sections of cast iron as well as sections of ABS, especially in older homes. And this is the section where I was talking about. The pipe is going down in diameter because of 2 reasons. One, because we are getting closer to the bathroom sink, and 2, because of the scaling within the line. Again, that buildup of minerals. And again to that ABS, and again to that cast iron. And then that's not a hole on the right side, that's actually a tie-in for a water fixture. The water is going to come from the right side and go towards the main. This concludes the inspection of the main sewer line. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Thank you.